It's going down. Do you hear me? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got some heat coming, y'all. So yeah, more footage at the gun range coming soon, yeah. Hey, it's going down, y'all. So yeah, get ready, y'all. Whew, can't wait to get this big old. Might go ahead and order me up 30 barrels for this old badass 40. You know, man, I love my 30 barrels. Yeah, big 40. Big 40 on these boys. You don't hear me, though. You say that big 40 on these boys. Ooh, yeah. So I bust these boys up on this mother. Everybody want to talk about the Glock. Ooh, a Glock. Oh, I'm going to get one. What they do? I'm like, damn, you gotta be the man if you get a Glock. Ooh, you Superman, you get a Glock, y'all. Man, shut up. Shut up. And everybody would be chilling about Glock, they don't even have no damn Glock. They be tripping me out. Be all on your page, acting like they just, oh man, you put all that attachment on your gun, you could have got a Glock. Shut up. You ain't got nothing. Damn, but hey, these haters just be hating. I'm talking about I can reach side to side and grab some. Just grab some. You know what I'm saying? And just, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But I don't want YouTube to get me. But yeah, I got it. You know, to my left and right. You know what I'm saying? I just show you the case. 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 You know what I'm saying? I just show you, just the case. Just the case. I show you the holster. I show you the holster. Pocket bazooka. Pocket bazooka. Stay ready. Stay ready. So we have to get ready, y'all. Be safe. You gotta know how we're doing. You know how you like it like stopper. Ooh, y'all. Damn, I know these damn bees. Lord. Boy, these bees be coming out, man. Shit. Trying to jump a little girl. Boy, there. I ain't got time for this damn very good too. That's a loss. I'm gonna go back. There you go, little walls. You got time for this shit. There you go. Damn, you know what I'm trying to get it. Damn, I know I want to meet how I will do. Damn, these already trying to mess with it, nigga. Can't even chill. There you go. This ain't no beat, this is a loss. Man, lost while I'm trying to jump me. Shit. Good string though. Damn, lost is already trying to whip a nigga. Yeah, everybody be safe out here, man. Everybody out here already starting some shit. They already got the popos out. Oh, here you go. Damn, would you go? Choking chance on, man. Damn, lost. I don't want no company. Back the hell up. Shit. Yeah, what's up with it? You gotta go hit this job today. Gotta go get this money. Gotta make this chocho, dinero, mucho dinero. What's up with it? Yeah. Damn, like these bees trying to beat me up. Watch these bees. God, dog. Party.